I'm Brian Westbrook at AWS reInvent 2024 with GeekWire Studios. And one of the companies that we speak to every year we are here at reInvent is DXC Technology. And we're joined now by Eddie Jones, who is the head of market strategy, insurance software, and BPS with DXC Technology. Now, Eddie, you are one piece of the DXC Technology puzzle. Why don't you tell us about your role within DXC?
So DXC serves many industries around the world. Insurance is one of them. So in the insurance software and BPS division, we're strictly focused on insurance companies all over the world. We have over 1,000 customers, life insurers, property casualty insurers, specialty insurers, brokers. Lloyd's of London is one of our premier partners. We enable the entire marketplace. So our focus within the DXC, we're the insurance guys.
I love that. Now, insurers are under a lot of pressure to modernize and optimize their operations as well as their customer experience. Tell us about how you're helping these customers make that pivot to digitize, because you think of insurance, you think of a lot of forms and a lot of complicated papers to sign. You need to make that easy. Your customers need to make that easy. How is DXC helping?
So we are the back-end systems for insurers around the world. We're also front-end systems, so distribution and engagement. So our focus really is around enabling our customers to serve their customers. So from a technology perspective, we're dealing with a lot of large back-end systems. Some have been in place for a long time. How do you wrapper that with capabilities that really enable that digital footprint, that interaction with their end customers, whether it's a corporation or an individual? That's where our focus is, serving our customers as they really evolve their operations to serve their customers.
We've talked a lot about the benefits of moving legacy systems to the cloud. What are some of the benefits that your customers are reaping from this? Maybe tell us some success stories.
So one of the complexities is that insurers have, they like a lot of industries, there's acquisitions, there's mergers, they've got a very complex environment from a technology standpoint with lots of different systems, and in some cases those systems do the same thing, but based on different technologies from different eras. So a lot of the motion has been, I'm going to pick up one application and refresh it in the cloud, but I'm still dealing with this complex mainframe environment with hundreds of duplicate applications. Our approach really is from a platform modernization approach. So with our partner AWS, we've created the Assure platform. That is our brand. The Assure platform is a fabric that enables both the modernization of legacy applications, so we can host legacy capabilities in the AWS cloud, but it's also our next generation. It's where we build the future of our technology with our customers. So it's this ability to shift and marry legacy capabilities, wrapper it with open APIs, and then evolve and move into more modern technology. So it is a complex journey for lots of large insurance companies, and really the key is, what's their most important goal? That's where we start.
And you've said there's some success. Any stories you want to share with us?
We've had some fantastic. So one of our customers actually is the largest insurance migration to AWS in the world. Okay. And really the key is, they really made the decision 2.5 years ago. They said, we're getting off the mainframe, all of it, 100%. And so they're dealing with those hundreds of applications. I think the key is clarity, strong organizational capability, and then ecosystem management, because there's lots of stakeholders involved in these applications, in the move. And we've had enormous success moving large carriers into the next generation, and also consolidating. So one of our customers, one great story, they went from 700 applications to 70. So as part of the journey, consolidating, rewriting, merging capabilities so that they've got a landscape that they can manage, that we can manage with them, is really an incredible capability, an incredible story for that customer.
So the outsourcing market has changed over the years. We know that. How are you poised to compete in that world?
Oh, well, outsourcing, so that's an old term.
Outsource.
Yeah, I used that in the 1980s. So today there's so much variety of choice. So it's not like, it's like, well, what kind of hamburger you like? Well, you tell me. It could be a veggie burger, it could be anything. But really, so today there's SaaS operations married with managed services. And so really it's whatever is required. So when you're shutting down a mainframe and moving to the AWS cloud, there's a tremendous amount of of content and applications that you may not want to carry forward. So outsourcing them in a managed service environment makes total sense. Business process outsourcing or business process services is another tool in the toolkit. So it really becomes a function of the strategy of the carrier and how they want to serve their customers, and we're alongside with them really with all of those tools on our tool chest to help them achieve their goals.
So before you start knocking away the number 1,000 or 700 business applications down to 70, as you mentioned, or really just optimizing them, you want to look at the bigger picture first and figure out what the roadmap looks like to get that process optimized. Let's talk about AI. I could not have you here today without checking in with you. The AI journey, how is AI enabling innovation with your insurers and your company as a whole?
Well, so certainly it's enabling innovation on our team. So we use AI capabilities as we build systems, as we imagine the next generation. For our customers, how do you use AI? Well, we don't even know. There's so many use cases. It's unlimited at this stage what the potential can be. So we're enabling and embedding the capabilities in our core systems. So as guides, as knowledge transfer, as document and knowledge management capabilities. So that's a real valuable context. But then you move into the next set of use cases, and it's data analysis. How do I guide an underwriter through a very complex, you're going to underwrite a satellite, what data are you using? Is it meaningful? Is it relevant? How do you apply that and derive intelligence to guide that underwriter and have it be one of his tools or her tools as they evolve the system?
And I gotta say, there are a number of industries where we're really excited to see the potential of AI. The insurance industry is certainly one of those. Eddie Jones with DXC Technology, thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to hearing more from you and the rest of our partners here at AWS reInvent. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Brian Westbrook, GeekWire Studios.